In order to beautify the table, we often need to set the table style. This table, for example, looks quite ordinary, and we can't notice the points at first glance. At this time, we can select the data and set the table style. Click Edit and open the toolbar where you can set table style. In the preview box, we can see 8 types of table styles provided by WPS. We can choose from the table style options and check the rows and columns to set the dark color. In the previous table content, the header row and name column are the information to highlight. So here we check the header row and the first column to fill the dark. If you want more various table styles, you can set the banded style. Here we check banded row. Select the desired color style and click OK to finish creating an exquisite data table. We genuinely recommend you to use WPS Office on PC for more elaborated table templates.